The sky. If we observe the clear sky at night from an open ground, we see innumerable stars against a dark background. It is hard to imagine their distance from us or the distances amongst them. The stars do not remain visible during daytime, but we see clouds against a blue background. At the time of dawn and twilight, the same background sometimes appears to have a yellow or reddish color. This background that appears like a vault is called the sky, a light year. The stars that we see in the sky are at immense distances from one another. Even units like millions or billions of kilometers prove to be inadequate to measure the distances between the stars. In order to express such distances, scientists have devised a new unit. Light is the fastest traveling thing known to us. The speed of light is around 3 lakhs kilometers per second. What will be the distance covered by light if it travels continuously from its source for a period of 1 year? Let us find it. We will have to make some calculations. This table shows the distance covered by light during different time periods. In short, a ray of light within a year will cover a distance of 9,46,080 crore kilometers. This entire distance has been considered as a unit by scientists. It is named as a light year. Remember, a light year is a unit of distance. 1 light year means a distance of 9,46,080 crore kilometers. This distance can also be expressed in smaller units such as light hours, light minutes, or light seconds. You will understand this from the following example. The Sun is 1,500 lakh kilometers away from the Earth. The distance between the Earth and the Moon is 3,84,400 kilometers. Can we express these distances in terms of light years? Try to do it and check if your answers tally with the following. The distance between the Earth and the Sun is 8.3 light minutes. This can be worked out as follows. Distance between the Earth and the Sun in kilometers divided by speed of light kilometers per second. 1,005 crore kilometers divided by 3 lakh kilometers is equal to 500 seconds. 500 seconds divided by 60 is equal to 8 minutes and 20 seconds or 8.3 light minutes. The distance between the Earth and the Moon is 3,84,400 kilometers. The distance between the Earth and the Moon in this new unit is 1.28 seconds. Space. In your house or in the school, many a times you may have seen a beam of light. It is full of floating dust particles. If you observe it closely, you will realize that between the dust particles there are gaps. Similar gaps exist between the celestial bodies we see in the sky. The gap between the celestial bodies is a near vacuum. However, it may contain some gases and dust particles. This contiguous near vacuum between the celestial bodies is called space. Space research is considered as an important subject in the present era. Indian scientists like Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams have carried out the research by physically going into space in spacecrafts. In this boundless space, there exist countless clusters of stars. These clusters are formed due to the attractions between the stars. Have you ever seen galaxy in the sky? Let us study about the galaxy. The clusters have a bulge in the central part and they taper off towards the periphery. Such a cluster is called a galaxy. The galaxy to which our solar system belongs is called the Milky Way. Our galaxy is neither the only one in space, nor is it the biggest. scientists believed that there are as many as 1,000 crore galaxies. From this, you can imagine how vast the spread of these celestial bodies is. The universe. All the galaxies, the space within and between them, and the energy that exists are all included in the universe. The entire universe was not created all at once. It evolves with time. Hence, time is also considered as a component of the universe. Thus, you will realize that the universe is an all-inclusive concept. The universe has no center, nor does it have edges. Scientists believe that the universe came into existence about 1,300 crore years ago. Since then, it has been continuously expanding.